Alright, so a few days ago, I went to a thrift store with my mother, and while we were there, we were looking at some old items that people had previously owned, and I came across this, a crystal radio kit. Now, when I saw this, I thought, well, maybe the person didn't build it before they give it to the thrift store, but no, they had built it. It doesn't work. There's no sound at all. So I thought, maybe we should fix this, which is what we're gonna do. Go to that now. So the problem is that the antenna doesn't exist, and the antenna is the thing that receives a signal. So, you can imagine how that's a problem. But anyway, we need an antenna that's almost the size of our house in length. That's very long, if you couldn't tell. Anyway, let's see how that went. Hi, now we are here at the outside.
Why don't you go pick up the radio so you can show it?
Oh, of course. Alright, Dad, talk to them.
It's raining bad outside and it's cold outside.
I'm back.
Oh. The star is back.
This is the actual radio. No sound coming from anything.
Yeah, the story is we actually did try this inside. The plan is for this to be a ground wire right now. Inside we tried this piece of wire on the
Yeah?
this piece of, are you focused here?
Well, the cat's in the way, but yeah.
Yeah. So this piece of wire from the ground to a radiator that is grounded. Now I made this thing and you can hear it's raining. So my plan was that the grounding side of the radio was this wire in a puddle. I'm thinking that that would work. Now we need the antenna to connect here. And that is a long wire which will have to go up on the roof.
That's the thing that doesn't exist currently, really.
This is just regular wire, it's nothing special.
There he goes. Bye. He's up there. He's up there. That's him. That's him right there. You know what? If you think he's doing a bad job, make sure to tell him in the comments. Yeah, that's right. Tell him in the comments that he's doing it all wrong. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, hi, Dad. Hey. And please do not bully us for our vegetation. It's very natural.
If this doesn't work, really, I don't know really what to do.
Will your nap just be a failure?
Maybe? I don't know.
Turn the knob.
Turn the knob.
I can't hear anything.
No, but did it click when we put it on?
It clicks when you turn it.
Clicks when I turn it. Still, you're not a cameraman. There you go. That gets crazy. Okay. We'll break?
No, yeah, kind of.
Okay. Oh. The roll was falling off where I put it and into a pool of water.
You guys better have subscribed. Alright, so this project was a failure. Maybe if you guys subscribe and hit the bell button, you'll see the next video, or we might see.
You have the cat on you?
Like and subscribe, and comment the solution to this problem, and we might make a part 2 where it actually works. Goodbye.